In today's video, we'll address a common concern: how to delete passwords and payment methods stored in Google Chrome. How to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. The first step is to open Google Chrome. Once you're in, look for the three dots in the top right corner and click on them to open the Chrome menu. Now scroll down and select Settings. A new window will appear. At the top left corner, click on Autofill and Passwords, then select Google Password Manager, where you can find a list of your accounts. Sometimes, you might not remember your account password. To recover your account details, select the account you want to view. For instance, I'm selecting my account on Booking.com. Here, you can see the account details and your saved password. You have the option to edit the password or delete the account. This is how you can simply edit or delete saved passwords. How to remove payment method in Google Chrome. To remove your payment information, once again open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click on the three dots, then click on Settings. Now at the top left corner, click on Autofill and Passwords. For payment methods, click on Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, here you'll see the details of the cards or payment methods you've saved. Click on the three dots, and here you can choose to edit the payment information. Or you can also delete the payment method. In this video, we've successfully edited or deleted saved passwords and learned how to edit or delete payment methods in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.